Hi, Jennifer.
Yeah,
So
hi,
I'm
ma'am.
super excited to welcome you. You have done a tremendous work despite battling with the thyroid and losing 8 kgs, along with your job, along with the small baby of 3 years. So definitely you are an inspiration. I can tell you that losing weight is not easy. Yeah,
Yeah,
it
I
is not.
totally agree.
Absolutely, absolutely. It requires, a strong focus, dedication, commitment, and a meticulous planning, right? So which you could able to manage and dropped 8 kgs. So really I'm super excited to hear from you about your background and how's your schedule and what things you were facing before joining Fume. Why you took that stand that yes, this is the time I need to drop weight. So tell me what were the challenges you were facing because of the weight
Uh,
issues. Yeah.
uh, yeah, thanks. So the first major thing is my health issues. So as you said, I was a thyroid patient since last 18 years. Not 18, I would say 15 years. Starting from my college, I had thyroid issues. I used to take these supplements that are thyroxine medicines.
Hmm.
Um, I was able to control it, but I was not able to cure it. So that is one thing. The
Hmm.
second thing, I shifted to homeopathy. Actually, I was searching for the complete cure instead
Hmm.
of the lifelong medicines. So
Hmm.
that is one thing. So I tried homeopathy for 2 years. So there's no result came. Then I got pregnant. So that has shooted up my thyroid again.
Yeah.
So it went very bad. Like the hormonal changes, my body weight has increased by 10 kgs.
Yeah.
Already I was overweight because I was trying to control it,
Hmm.
but still it again increased. And after the delivery, it is too much. So I was not able to control. So that one is the body gain, weight gain. After that, as I'm on the IT work, I used to sit and work most of the times. So my back pain has started in the age of 28,
Hmm.
somewhat.
Hmm.
So it's slowly getting increased. So I was actually worried because in the rest of the life, I have to work in the IT. So there is some permanent solution I need it. Otherwise, it is going to go for the worst condition.
Absolutely.
So that is the
Absolutely.
major root cause why I was looking for a weight loss program. Previously, I have tried diets. I have joined gym as well. Uh, like I wasn't consistent. That is one major issue. Like I joined for a gym, I go for a gym for 1 month, but due to my schedules, I will not be able to follow it. So I need to drop. So that is one major issue because um I was not able to put that much effort to go to gym and do the exercise and come back and go for my work as well. And I have
Yeah.
to take care of my family also. So it is too much hectic for me. So I dropped that plan. I was trying the home exercise only, like the self exercise. I was not consistent because no one was there to push me. So
Yeah.
that is the second thing. Then I came across this program in the Instagram page. So I thought, let's give it a try. I am getting anything. So as the program is very much user friendly, so it's not like I can manage somewhere in between my schedule. It is not like I have to strictly follow it in order to get the results. So
Hmm.
that is a major reason why I have joined this program.
Hmm.
Okay.
So
I even
you joined the boot camp, and after boot camp you joined the
I
that
joined the
weight loss
boot camp.
program.
After that, I joined this program. Even I would say now, whatever the plan, whatever the process which has been followed, I'm still not following 100%. I would say I'm still following somewhere between 70 to 80%. Maybe if I had given 100%, I would have lost more weight.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, so, but if the consistency I am following, I can able to see the results. So I'm happy that even I'm not putting 100%, I'm getting the results.
Yes. Yes.
Because
Definitely.
I would really say that I'm finding it very difficult due to work pressure. I will not be able to work. I feel like I need some rest. Even I don't get time to spend time with my son. So
Yeah.
it's too much hectic. So sometimes I skip my exercise because I don't get time.
Hmm.
So I informed to Mariam that I skipped today's she used to push me, like, you have to do it, otherwise you will not lose weight. So that makes me concerned. Okay, I'm putting an effort. Let's put somewhat more. So that is something motivation which helped me to lose the weight. That is one major thing.
Very nice.
Um,
Very nice.
like it is not that much difficult because following it 100% will be difficult for me. But I am able to follow it somewhere around 70 to 80%. With that, I am able to manage it. So I would
So,
like to.
so Jennifer, now you have lost around 8 kgs, right? So how it has impacted your life? How you are feeling in your own body right now? What changes you are seeing?
I am able to see, like, actually, I was not able to see it by myself. I was still, when Mariam was asking my pic, I was not confident. Like, let's wait for one more month and then I will share. I was in that mindset.
Hmm.
Now I said I just came to some other place. So most of the people, when I say they used to say, you had lost your weight. How did you lose? So then I feel like, okay, I have really lost some weight. Then I got little bit confident. Okay, so most of the people were giving that comment like you had lost your weight, so that's good. You're looking good now.
So now you are thinking, okay, now things are working. Huh?
Yeah.
You have got a proof. You have got a proof that things are working.
I'm much satisfied. Okay, people are notifying me now, and I'm getting notified.
Yeah, that's important. That gives that more confidence and more motivation. Ki, you know, I'll make it happen, man. You just wait for my another visit, and I'll show you a different Jennifer.
Exactly.
Awesome.
So I got more confident now. Okay, so now I can lose more weight. So I got that confidence.
Absolutely,
Like, even though
absolutely.
I'm out of track, I feel like I'll be able to manage it back.
Awesome. That's a confidence actually we need to develop. You know, because in a life there will be challenges, there will be time when we will be off track, we will be on vacation, we will be in a wedding. So it's always, you know, important to bounce back. And if you are
Yes.
getting that confidence, then that is the best thing, Jennifer, you have got. Yeah.
Yes.
And what about your son? What he's telling? Is he telling you anything? Is he you know, seeing a difference in your energy levels or your behavior?
Yes.
Or yeah?
Yeah. With respect to energy level, I can see a lot of difference. I was able to, like, how I can explain, like, I can feel it inside. Like, I won't get tired that much like previously. So it's previously, if I have work pressure, I used to work and then I just go and sleep. I don't do any other work. Now I feel like, okay, I'm done with my work. Now I need to do some other thing. Let's go and do that. So I have that mindset. Previously, okay, chalo, leave it. I'm not that much active now. Let's sleep now. Something like that.
So now, with your health, your mindset also changed?
Yes, exactly. Lot.
Yeah. Absolutely, absolutely. And once you drop more weight, you will, you know, you will see a complete drastic difference, Jennifer. Yeah.
I'm waiting
Awesome.
for that actually.
Absolutely.
I'm
Awesome work.
like, even I could see little bit improvement in my back pain as well. So I'm waiting so that it will be completely get off me.
Absolutely. Yes, it will happen. It happened with me as well. When I started, severe back pain, severe joint pain, all gone. So it will happen with you too. Okay, just stay consistent. You know, just stay consistent. Keep your goals in front of you. Ki, you know, I have to wear this dress, or whatever is your goal, ultimate goal, keep in front. So what exactly you are looking forward to, Jennifer?
I have one goal. I have my one dress which I wore before my marriage. I want to wear this in my birthday this year. It is on September.
September. Oh, very good. We have a lot of time now then. So let's make it possible.
I want to wear that on my birthday.
Very nice. Just keep that dress, take out that dress, dry clean it, put it in front of you.
Yes, I'll do that.
Yeah. Yes. And what about your husband? What he is talking about now?
He is also giving compliments. Like, He used to observe me, and then he also think I also start losing weight now.
So he will become your competitor. He will compete with you.
I used to irritate him. See, I got back in my shape, so you have to do the same.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's how the entire family will get fit.
Exactly.
Yes, one person, taking that decision can impact everybody's life. So super proud of you, Jennifer, for bringing out that commitment along with the your hectic work schedule. Simply awesome work.
Thank you.
And let's
you.
make it happen. Yes.